Hey guys, Shane here, Tug's Garage. Got another product review for you. Stick around and enjoy the show. So, you guys know these gas cans today aren't very good at pouring the gas out of the cans, what they're intended to do. Get stupid contraptions like this, release, pull, hold. This one I stripped off. That was the kind that you just stick in there and you gotta hold it the whole time you're pouring it. I tore it apart. I had bought probably about 4 years ago, I had purchased this setup to put on this gas can, and I was like, well, I need to do that to the rest of my gas cans. So we're going to do these two cans today. There's this kit I got on Amazon. Not affiliated with this company in any way. I just found one that looked nice. I figured I'd grab it. This one came with 4 of them. So today we're going to fix these 2 up. You can find these all over Amazon, eBay, all over the internet. I can't even remember the name of the company of the first one I got. But yeah, I just figured I'd bring them along and show you how these things work out. So we'll start with the kerosene can. First off, take this off. Figure out which one of these fit. The other one, that's the coarse thread. I'm pretty sure this is the fine thread. Yep. So the yellow is the coarse thread, the red is the fine thread. I'll put a link in the description for this certain brand. So it's pretty self-explanatory on this part. And what else is nice about these ones, they come with a screen. So if you get that's kind of why I picked this one. This one had a screen built in. So if you get a little debris in your can, you don't have to worry about getting into your tank. So yeah, this just threads on there. Flexible, you can see through this. And then you got a cap that goes on that. That slides down. Turn my a little chilly out here. Turn my gas on here and heat this up. There. There's a little lip that slides down onto. Then this can be threaded on. Like so. That way when you're transporting fuel, you keep crud out of your gas. And then it's got a spout. Breather spout. Put back here. They don't say what size drill you use, so let's see if we can find us a drill bit. 7/16 maybe? 7/6. Looks like it's dark. Get the drill. Drill us a little hole right here. I'll turn around here so you can see what's going on. Drill us a hole. see. Oh, need to go a little bigger. Might be half there. Could use calipers to see what size it is. I'd say it's a 1/2 inch hole. Go all the way up to 1/2 inch. Pretty sure that one on the other tank was like 3/8. Clean that off there. Remember, it's got a screen, so these little bit of shavings that go in there ain't really going to hurt anything. So that's a 1/2 inch hole. That's it. But I'm going to put a little dab of super glue on that. Put a couple little dabs. Old Gorilla Glue. So it don't fall out on us. Yep. So that's that one. So now you got an easy pour spout with the breather on it. Now, these really suck. I hate these things. Old Greta probably loves them. Trash. That's got a screen built into it. We'll cut that off of there. That looks like coarse thread. There's that part. A little bit of heat on that. Heating that up goes on a little easier. It's cold in here. That part's done. Now let's drill us a 1/2 inch hole in here. If you can, when you're drilling your hole, try to drill it to the highest point. Then we give it a cap. Little Gorilla Glue on there. That part's done. Clean your shavings out. Let your glue set up. That's done. So now we just converted that to an easy pour. I'm going to show you how it works, but I don't have any fluid in there. So yeah, get rid of all that stupidness. Make gas cans, pour grade again. I still hang on to that one. It still works. And it's got a built-in bit tube in it. But, so yeah, you want to get your gas cans pouring great again. Check these out. I'll put a link in the description for that one. Maybe a couple other ones, but I like this one because it had the screens built into the spout. But till the next video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye. Oh yeah, this brand right there, if you can see it, is Easy Pour. That's the brand name of this one, Easy Pour Spout. But yeah, if I can find that, if I can find Easy Pour on Amazon, I'll put a link in that description for that too.